Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing what I do before a competition. But before the video begins, I've been getting a lot of support lately, which is very nice. And thank you for everyone who's subscribed. And my last video hit a record-breaking 17 likes. So if you can try and do that again, pound the like button. Let's get into the video. Competitions are tricky. You gotta be on a level of focus where you mostly focus on your yo-yo and not the crowd too much. What I do before a competition is I usually put in earbuds and practice my routine thoroughly, and the parts that I mess up, I just rerun them and go again and just try to get that part down as hard as I can. If you're a terrible player, just hype the crowd. Do a trick that will hype the crowd, make them laugh. Do something fun that will make the crowd want to come back. At the end of competition, always bow. I'm not really good at this, but I'm trying to get better. But you should bow for respect, and yeah, that's one of the more important things to do. One thing I think about before I'm doing a competition is if I'm not there to win, then I should do some tricks that will hype the crowd up, like I kind of mentioned with earlier. But if I'm not here to win, I might as well have fun on stage, because this is a once or twice a year thing that you do. You just go up there and have fun. Don't think of it as, I want to win this, I want to do this. Just try and go up there and have a lot of fun with it. If you're not up there and not having a lot of fun, then I don't think you're doing it right. Or at least a little bit in your competition. Go for those tricks that actually make the crowd excited. Win or lose a competition, keep doing them. Keep staying persistent with them, because the competition stage, you just have to get comfortable with it at first, and then when you get comfortable with it and not get nervous. I'm terrible on stage, honestly. I can't stand the pressure. But I think I'm at the stage where I'm getting over the stage fright, and I can just move on in my competitions. But don't be afraid. There's nobody there that's gonna be oh, you're trash. I mean, yo-yo players are really nice, and all they want to do is encourage you. So go up on stage, expect people to cheer for you, and go to competitions and try and make friends, because those are gonna be some nice friendships over time. You can just keep going on and on, texting, and then once you see them that one time a year or whatever, that's a lot of fun. Honestly, the most big advice is just have fun with it. Just go up there, have fun, and just mostly focus on your yo-yo. But when you're moving around, you gotta move around the stage. It gives you points and clicks and stuff. You gotta move around the stage. But when you're moving around, hype up the crowd or something. But just when you're yo-yoing, focus on your yo-yo and just hyper-focus on your yo-yo. Don't focus on the crowd or anyone around you. Just focus on your yo-yo and not anything else. Just focus on the trick that you're doing. I got this idea for the video from this commenter right here. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys keep throwing comment ideas for videos, and you might get another shout out like this. Thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the like button. See if we can break 10 likes again. That was amazing. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.